Oh god, so the lighting is not all that good over here, but it's gonna work because at least it's not gonna show up the little bump and zits and stuff. You see what I tell about every time I make you take up the camera, I just not feel ready, like I feel like my face not ready, I'm tired or whatever the case may be. But this is not bad. This can go on. I'm gonna use this. So hi, hello, hola, wagwan. As you can see, it's been a while since I posted a video. Happy New Year, Merry Little Christmas. But yeah, if you're in the Christmas thing, Merry Christmas to you. But where have I been? I have been traveling and I'm gonna show you. Watch this.
Group 6 customers and all of the 4, 537 arriving through the priority lane using gate number 9.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she put.
Actually, it wasn't like a tasty or a juicy. It tasted more like, you know, when you season up your beef with scallion and thyme. It could have gone, but you know if you walk and show off what they are contract about how sun hot. Yes, the little sun there, I see sun, but in a hot. Me not feel the sun, me can't feel me ears. Not for show off. Lord Jesus, how when the train come. Boy. Third and 8th Avenue. What a 31st and 8th Avenue is supposed to go. 31st.
pretty man.
Like casino. Like one casino.
That's the casino. Oh, that's what the casino is.
That's the parking garage. Yeah, you see us on the other side. That's the parking garage.
Oh Lord, it's pretty. Ooh, ooh, pretty. Ooh.
So the police them speaking. So my trip was really about family, meeting up with my family, having fun, spending time with them, and it was like just going it was like just it was like just going. So I really didn't, I wasn't intrigued to pick up the camera. I didn't want to vlog every little thing. I didn't want to be, you know, videoing while we're having our intimate conversations and humor and catching up, and like, no. What I should have videoed though is my grand aunt's cooking. She cooked oxtail, my get Christmas. I didn't miss anything, to be honest. My nephew made me breakfast.
Here in Canada, just go America now.
Okay, and do those two. Stacy, I went to New York, and then I left from New York to spend New York blouse and skirt. Come back with accident. Come back with accident because Miss Lucy, you can't have, if you ever look a twang, it's about New York. And then I left from New York and I went to Connecticut because that's how they say it. Connecticut, right? I spent most of my time in Connecticut with my cousin who wasn't well, and she had her birthday on the 1st of January. I wanted to go to Manhattan to see the ball drop, but I was told that it might be dangerous, and plus it was very cold and I would have to camp out there. People were even giving you a secret. I hear that people even wear diapers because they're there for the entire day just to be there in the night. Like, it's similar to the fireworks that I went to at the Sydney Opera House, except that I got VIP. Big up to, I'm not call the name in the video. I don't know if they watch my YouTube channel, but still, they're very private and reserved. But big up on yourself. I am so grateful for that experience. Got VIP to Sydney Harbour, Sydney, not the Harbour Bridge, Sydney Opera House, which the Harbour Bridge is close by anyways. And I was up close and personal to the point where even the fireworks residue was falling on us. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna let the ball drop miss me because I hear that it's a little bit dangerous as well. So I didn't do that. I just spent quiet time at home and just relaxed with my cousin. So I left Connecticut and I went to Pennsylvania, and of course some more family, my sister, my nephews, my niece, my cousin, them, Chick-fil-A and something. I have to talk about Chick-fil-A because it tastes good. It was my first time having it, not gonna lie. It tastes good. I love it. Love it. Should I bring some of the sauce come home? And then I left Pennsylvania and I went back to New York, spent some more time. My little cousin birthday, we got him school to have a birthday party and all of that. I helped to pack him birthday little gift goodie bags. Then I left there and I went to Miami in Florida, and them drive fast and speed, and even if the police in the line, people just a speed. So and I pay this me do a whole lot. My nephew's father though, him extra, him didn't really drive fast, but that was basically my trip. It was amazing. It was excellent. Okay, oh Jesus, how could I leave out the funeral? Went to one of my good friends' stepfather's funeral in Long Island. It was beautiful. It didn't feel like a funeral. I think it's my first time being at a foreign funeral and also witnessing how the Catholics do it, and they really make you feel encouraged and maybe give you some false hope, but at the end of the day you feel like better. And then the repast was, oh, chef's kiss. The repast, me say, but even budget. We need some water, man. Just an even dinner, you know. Sunday, Monday, rice and peas and fish. I'm tell her say nice, and I was planning to eat it 2 times because enough. I'm eat as soon as I eat after all of this something mighty. I'm not really gaining no weight, right? I'm gaining weight, yeah. So the repast, that's where we were. It buffet style. It was buffet style at the harbor. We got the harbor view section of the restaurant. It was beautiful. We had salmon, we had different types of pasta, we had potato, we had lots of fruits. I digged in. We had different types of cheese. I didn't really do much at the bar, but you could get anything, and people were walking around. You know, that type of event where persons are walking around begging you to take those little things on the stick. So yeah, so it was good, and I was happy that I was able to support my friend. It's been a good friend over the years. So, and also the deceased was my friend, and I was happy that I was able to pay my last respect. The trip didn't go as planned, but it went better than I expected. Remy, stop the noise. I'm making a video. You don't hear? Okay. Anyways, I am here. I'm here. I think I'm gonna stop the video right there. Continue watching my little rendezvous. I did a bit of shopping too, but I just, as I said, I couldn't be bothered to vlog everything. Not that type of influencer. I'm the low-key private influencer. You remember my influencer? I'm gonna there talk it in like a joke. I want to look and I said, Jesus, but it actually speak it into being. You may never know. Even though me down to earth and someone, I know if nobody gonna make me influence them way, gardening. No, them can't do my clothes because I can't put myself together. I'm like that. I like the clothes and thing, you know. And my sister, big up to my big sister, she sells like jewelry and vintage stuff, and I got a lot from her. So, you know, all look cute and nice. This thing lean all along. Oh gosh. I should do better with my videos. No worries. So as I said, I'm gonna stop the video right there. So happy new year again to everyone. Thank you for rolling with me, Sunshine, Irie Sensei, whatever you call me. Thank you for rolling with the One Big Irie family. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Also remember that I have books on Amazon called One Big Irie Family, Irie Puzzle Book, and Irie Coloring Book. They're all geared towards learning the Patwah language and having fun learning about the Jamaican culture. There's also a course on Udemy, Jamaican Patwah for Beginners by Cadian Gentles. So feel free to share these with your friends who want to learn Jamaican language and understand our attitude or gestures and so on, because I also did like Jamaican sign language, which reveal the meaning of our gestures and things like that. So, you know, there are a lot of persons visiting Jamaica and just want to be comfortable with the culture and understanding the people, and that's when you experience a country the most. Like wherever I've traveled to, that's the best part of the trip, just understanding the culture and the people and being able to relate. And so that part of the video was sponsored by One Big Irie Family. Alrighty, well, let me hear you in the comment section. What did you do for the new year? And how did you ring in the new year? Did you go to church? Jamaicans may go to church. Like, it's so funny, Jamaicans will go to the dance and then 5 minutes to 12 everybody rushing in church because they want 12 o'clock to catch them in the church, and then them leave and go back to the club or wherever or go to fireworks. It's so funny. I was watching the fireworks as well. They had fireworks in Ochi, Kingston, and I think another location. Jamaica had that, so that's good. There were a few events in Jamaica. It was more like lots of parties, and of course Christmas is a time for spending time with families. So my run was still. So this is just another year added that I haven't spent holidays in Jamaica. Then again, it's different because my grandfather, who would usually cook on New Year's Day, died I think 2 years ago. So it's will just feel so different. My father traveled too and stuff like that, so it would just. And so my little sister is like, oh, you're on God. I say, hey, I have my other sister. So I'm sure she enjoyed herself with her family, but it would definitely not be the same. Of course, I got my Saraland cake. Yeah, big up to Lisa, my cousin. The cake did shot. But yeah, as I said, it was a good time spent with family. Sorry I didn't show more, but maybe next time. Alright, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Boom, bang, I'm out. Long time I didn't do that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Look, Connecticut festive. Watch out now. What? Happy 2024, you mean? Oh wow, missile a fly out. They might do it from upstairs. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Excitement. What do you mean? Way. Watch a cat. Curious cat right there. So. Happy 2024.